Let's start with 1 cup of green peas about 160 grams, 2 chopped tomatoes about 180 grams, 2 chopped onions about 150 grams, 1 chopped green chilli.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Now take a pot and add 2 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon cumin seeds. Give it a stir. Now we'll add green chilli, tomato, cook for 5 minutes on medium to low flame. Now we'll add onion, and cook for 5 minutes on medium to low flame. Now cover and cook for 7 minutes on low flame. Give it a stir. Now we'll add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of Sabzi Masala, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon Bottle Masala, and half teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. Now sprinkle little water. And cook for 3 minutes on low flame. Now we'll add green peas and 200 ml of water. Mix it well. And let it boil on high flame. Give it a stir. Now cover and cook for 15 minutes on low flame. Give it a stir. Now we'll add half teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. Give it a stir. And our Matar Masala Sabzi is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!